Now the first type of soil what we are going to discuss is alluvial soil. Now when we talk about alluvial soil, first what we are going to discuss, this type of soil is spread over about 43% of the total area of India. Means what amount of percentage of total area where you will found alluvial soil, so that is 43%, right? Now the second is where it is found. So where it is found in northern plain from the Brahmaputra valley in the east up to Satluj in the west. Means from the east part 2 it you will found in the till the west. Means wherever the northern plains are there, till where the northern plains are going, you will found the alluvial soil, right? So from east till the west, and in the delta regions of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Means when rivers come down, means wherever rivers found, in the river soil there is a silt. Silt is a one type of soil only which is having lots of minerals which make a soil fertile. So silt plays a very important role, and you will found in the deltaic region. Deltaic region means where rivers meet sea or ocean. So that is what the deltaic region. So of the deltaic region of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers, right? Now this the formation of alluvial soil is due to the alluvial deposition by the rivers. Means wherever the rivers goes, with that they deposit alluvial silt. It's a one type of silt only. So they deposit alluvial everywhere. So it will remains only over there and the river moves. So because of that it is known as a, that soil is becomes very fertile. There is more proportion of, now this is very important that you have to remember, okay, what type of minerals are found in the soil which makes it fertile or infertile, that you have to remember. There is a more proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and limestone in the soil, and there is a less proportion of nitrogen and humus. So what is more in it? Potash, phosphorate, limestone, right? And very less amount of nitrogen and humus is available in this alluvial soil, right? Now if the crops of pulses is grown in this soil, the nitrogen content can be stabilized. Means why? Because pulse, every time you will see, it is very important that soil always needed a nitrogen, and nitrogen will be content, means be stable by what? Only pulses. If you will grow pulses in your land, then only it can be stabilized. So every time any farmer, for the stabilizing nitrogen in their soil with other crops, definitely they grow pulses. So because of that what happened? Nitrogen can be stabilized. So because in alluvial soil what is less? Nitrogen is very less, humus is very less. So because of that pulses, most probably in alluvial soil farmers grow pulses along with other crops. So because of that what happened? The content of nitrogen can be stabilized in the soil. Now crops like which types of crops are grown in this soil? Wheat, paddy. Paddy means rice. Sugarcane, jute, cotton, maize, all seeds, etc. can be grown in this soil. So you can see we have covered all this point. Percentage 43, where it is found, right? Krishna, Kaveri, from east to Satluj to west. What type of minerals are found? Potash we had discussed, limestone, phosphoric acid, right, in soil. What types of crops are grown in it? So sugarcane, paddy, wheat, right? And other characteristics are there is a less amount of nitrogen and humus. So if the crops like pulses is grown in this soil. So this all characteristics are included in this topic. So this is what very important.